Hello guys, this is your boy Glit. Hello guys, how you doing? You're doing amazing. I know you're doing amazing. This is your boy Glit Einstein. We're back again with Fancy Motorsports. Behind me, it's a Range Rover Land Rover. That rhymes, doesn't it? Range Rover Land Rover 2023, by the way. So on this car, we're doing a full custom sound system. You can see in my hand right here, we got a Thesis, right? The Thesis is one of the best, if not the best of all of them. The type of speakers that you want to have on your car with amplifiers. You know, if you drive a car like this, you got to make sure you go with the best, which is this one, the Thesis, with the AUDI amplifier. So we did a custom trunk with AUDI, of course. This would make your car sound amazing. And then on the door, just something special for the driver so he can actually feel the music. So everything doesn't sound like it's coming way from the back. So on the door, we customize something special for him so he can actually feel it. For the tweeters, we put some special on the dash to give you that crisp on the sound. That, you know what it is. You know what it is. If you listen to music, you know what I'm talking about. And to control everything right on the center console, we customize something special, you know, again with AUDI. We customize something special so you can control everything, how it sounds, what you want to hear, what you don't want to hear. Fantasy Motorsports with Glit Einstein. We're going to be bringing you guys some fire videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Bring your car to Fantasy Motorsports. Again, you want to do something like this to your car, we got you. All right, you want to drive something like this, got to bring the best. Okay guys, check this out. Check this out. Down, down, down. See that? That's crazy. That is crazy. This is what you want in your car. You want something like this in your car. Look at this. Just imagine what this car sounds like. Now look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Clean, right? Clean, right? I thought this was finished, but it's not finished. You know, we're still working on it. So stay tuned for this. He's gonna have to put some in there, you know, put some in there, some good for the driver to feel it. Look at this right here. Those are some tweeters, some nice sounding tweeters. That creeps. That's what you need. That's what you need in your car. Muévete, chiquito, muévete, muévete. And look at this. That's the control. That's what helps you to control everything. Everything. The sound, different type of sounds. How you like it, that's what you need. Okay guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you hear a little bit what it sounds like. You don't wanna miss that. It sounds crazy. You don't wanna miss that. Stay tuned guys. We're gonna show you guys the final product here at Fantasy Motorsports. We out. What? You did not see that. You did not see that.
Fantasy family, Fantasy's family. Hook you up with them subwoofers, tune it up with some amplifiers, custom dash with some nice speakers. We do it all with them big steppers. Muffler the lead, get your Cali, you be on fleek. We do it like this. Fantasy Motorsports, Fantasy Motorsports. Ensemble, 21, Fantasy Motorsports.